These are really nice. You guys ever wondered if a gaming pair of headsets could ever elevate your gaming experience? Maybe you're in the market for a new headset and you're looking for something that not only delivers top-notch sound quality, but also provides all-day comfort. Oh, you're in the right place. So in today's video, we're going to be exploring these boys right here. These are the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1P. So stick around as we break down these headphones and why they're a perfect fit for you. Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Undefined Print. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is where I unbox and review the latest and not so latest products, giving you guys my 100% honest opinion on them, making it a better and easier process on your buying decisions on the products themselves. Today we're going to be reviewing the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1P gaming headphones. So we're going to be taking a look at the design of these, how comfortable they are, if they're comfortable or not, down to the sound quality. We're going to be doing a mic test as well, of course, as always, and just give you my overall thoughts on these headphones as I've had them for a while now, and why I think these will be the perfect solutions for your gaming headphone search. Because I know, I'm pretty sure you've been searching on Amazon and Newegg and like Walmart or something just for like some good pair of headphones. I tell you right now, these are actually a really good pair if you're in a budget, or even if you're not on the budget, just want something really solid. I recommend these. I have a first link in the description below on where I got these at, of course, on Amazon, because everything's on Amazon nowadays. And I actually got these for about 50 bucks, and right now they're actually on sale for right here, $45.99. And you could probably save maybe something if you have honey or something like that, if you have that, of course. But anyways, on with the first thing. So first, of course, we have the headphones themselves, and these actually are not wireless, by the way. I know I have them without the wired, which is because you can actually take out the wire if you want to use your own wire. Of course, these are just a 3.5 millimeter jack to a 3.5 millimeter jack. The wire isn't super long, but it's long enough to at least plug into your controller if you're using a controller. Now, if you're like me, you might want to use your controller, or sometimes you might transition to the PC. This cable isn't that long enough, so I recommend getting an extender like I have, just to extend to my PC, whether you're using a back port or the front of the port of on your PC. Now, of course, each end are both the same, so it really doesn't matter when it comes to plugging in your headphones. So of course, like anything else, you just plug it right in, and that easy. So first up, let's discuss the design and comfort of the Arctis Nova 1P. So as you can see, these headsets boast a sleek and visually appealing design. The combination of durable materials and a comfortable fit makes it an excellent choice for extended gaming sessions. The ear cushions are plush, and the adjustable headband provides a secure fit without causing discomfort. Now, of course, with the actual bands themselves, I will have some B-roll up showing you how to actually remove this, and also too, if you need to adjust it, there's 3 holes on each side, and with those you can adjust it to your height of your head, how big your head is. I got a big head, but I will tell you right now, these are very comfortable. Look at this. You still have enough space here where it's not touching the actual top of this. Now, there's many other headphones out there that don't have this type of design. Some headphones actually do take on SteelSeries design on these type of headsets. They're just way more comfortable. You don't have the hard plastic on top, which then headaches, probably even more over time, and leaves that dent in your head. I mean, they're all gonna leave dent in your heads, honestly. So just a quick description on these headphones on what here's SteelSeries says is they use hi-fi drivers, just means that they're good quality sound drivers. They use 360 spatial audio, which of course these were made and designed for the new generation of consoles, which PlayStation of course has spatial audio. These are really durable. These are very lightweight, not very light, but they're got a good weight, so they're not really going to be heavy on your head at all. It's not going to cause discomfort and whatnot. It has a noise canceling mic, not just a noise canceling mic, but it's a bi-directional noise canceling mic. That's just what they have listed on their site. The reason why they say bi is because, well, when you pull out the actual microphone, you have both sides of it with looks to be like there's opening, which looks like you can actually talk either way. Of course, the microphone comes out and also slides back in. So of course, it's going to be recommended to actually have it out if you want to talk to your friends, but you can also have it back in your headphones. Of course, these are always going to be multi-platform use. So whether you're using your Nintendo Switch, your Xbox, your PS5, PS4, Xbox One, and Xbox, blah blah blah, they all able to be use this because of how universal this is. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack. I'm pretty sure we all know what this is. So if something has this, you're able to plug it in. So let's go over the features of what the headphones actually have on themselves as far as buttons and whatnot. So these do come with a volume knob on the left portion of the headphones, which of course is right next to where you plug in the actual headphones with your mic and whatnot. So everything's pretty much on the left side of the headphones. So you have a mute button. So once you click it in, you are now muted. So I had a couple problems here, and I always thought like my mic was muted because I'm usually always pressing the mute button on my PlayStation 5 controller, and how easy it is instead of just having to do it from your actual mic itself. But I could also do it from here. If I'm on my PC, I'll do it from here to just like quickly mute myself. Of course, my microphone that I'm using right now, which I could just do this. And now I'm talking again. So if you guys want to know about anything about this microphone here, you can watch my last video I posted. Not my last video, but 2 videos before. About 2 or 3 videos before, I posted about this mic. It's the Fine K65 or 85, one of those two. USB dynamic microphone. Go check that out if you guys want to watch that video and know more about this microphone. But moving on. Of course, like I said before, you have the volume knob, and then you have the mute button, which of course, that again, you will be unmuted. So that's pretty much it when it comes to features on the actual headphones itself, as far as any buttons and whatnot. Now, if you guys are probably wondering, can we take out the actual ear cups? Yes, of course, you can always take out the ear cups, change them if you find some better, comfortable ones on Amazon from third parties or whatnot, if you want leather ear cups and stuff like that. I know you could just type in SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 ear cups, and I'm pretty sure you'd be able to find some sellers who are actually selling specifically made ear cups for these headphones, because most of these are pretty universal. They have a very universal design, ear cups. These aren't leather at all. They're like a mesh type, but they're really, really comfortable. I really appreciate the design that they took on these. I haven't had the previous generation of SteelSeries old Arctis headphones, the previous ones. I really wanted them, but once they came out with these, I was really, really happy, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. I'm on a budget. I don't need anything fancy. I don't need some Astro A40s, 50s and whatnot. Don't need anything like that. And these came in clutch, so really, really appreciate it. All right, that's it for the design and how comfortable these actually are. Now we're gonna do for you guys is the mic test. So you're gonna be hearing this right now, then you're gonna be hearing these. So let's do that right now. Now let's turn our attention to the microphone performance. So like before, the Arctis Nova 1P features a clear-cast microphone, and we're gonna be switching from this microphone right here to this one in about 1, 2, 3. So now we're listening to the clear-cast microphone. Now I don't have the microphone out just yet, and I will right now. This is just how it sounds with the microphone in. Now I have the microphone out, and this is how it sounds. So it should sound, I'm not sure how it's going to sound to you guys. I'm just recording this right now, so when I look back at it, you guys can be the judge of that, and I'll be the judge myself. So for the most part, this is how you're going to sound in game. If you're on PlayStation, Xbox, PC, this is how you're going to sound online to others. Of course, everybody's voice is different. Some people's voices suit certain microphones better. So this is just how I sound with this microphone. So to me, this is perfect for really just anybody when it comes to communicating with your teammates, if you're playing games, or if you're just simply just wanting to talk to somebody on Discord, even meetings or whatever it may be. It's a microphone at the end of the day, and it's gonna get you through everything. So it's not some crappy microphone for like $2 or some shit like that. But and that's not this quality. This is just how it sounds. And yeah, you guys may judge of that. If you're looking for something that's a lot more better, I would say don't get a gaming headset with the microphone. Just get a normal just get a good pair of headsets, even if they are gaming or not, and just get an external microphone. Really want a really good sounding mic. If people are complaining about your mic, how it sucks, something like that, just get an external microphone, USB, plug it into your console or your PC. But if not, just get one of these. That's really, really good. So it gets the job done. And now I'm back on this microphone. So you guys go. There's a difference. You guys can compare the two, even though there should be no reason for comparison. But yeah, let me take these off. And there we go. Okay, so when it comes to sound quality on the headphones now, as I said before, these do have 360 spatial audio, so that you're more aware of your surroundings while you're playing your games or whatnot. So if you're playing Call of Duty, if you're playing 2K, I'm talking about, when I say 2K, I'm talking about specifically NBA. I'm not talking about MLB or WWE. I'm not talking about those. But even if you were playing those, I don't play them, so I can't really speak on them, on how the audio is. But for the most part, if you're playing 2K, if you're playing any FPS games, Call of Duty, Battlefield, you name it, right? If you're playing MMOs, RPGs, if you're playing Destiny, Kingdom Hearts, single player game, it's gonna run you well, especially with, of course, like I said before, with today's technology and the performance of what the PS5 gives you, and of course what these headphones just give you in general, you're gonna find your experience really, really good. You really shouldn't just be complaining at all. But of course, if you're a professional gamer or you want to be professional, maybe you can still wear it. You can still have these. You really want to know each and every footstep that's in the game. Someone's really above you. If you want to know for sure someone's actually behind you, above you, whatever it may be, then I'd say upgrade these from getting the Nova 1Ps to the Arctis Nova 7, I believe it was called. Those you can actually, I think they give you the game deck. It comes with an extra accessory that I'm not really too sure about, but it's something that will actually give you more control over whether or not you want to hear more of the game, or of course, you know, footsteps, all that stuff. You can really customize and go into it more in depth. Now, SteelSeries actually does have if you're a PC player, you're more in the luck because they do actually have a software, which I haven't really dove into yet. If you guys want a video on that, I will be posting that just to get into more depth on SteelSeries products and whatnot, furthering your gaming experience when it comes to audio, setting different audio preferences for each game, which I think is what they do. Don't hold me on that. We'll look into that in a further video. So no gaming headset review is complete without assessing the gaming experience. The Arctis Nova 1P is tailor-made for gamers and will explore how it enhances the immersion and spatial awareness in popular games. Whether it's pinpointing enemy movements or immersing yourself in the game's world, these got you covered. So let's go over comfort and long-term durability. Now, I said before, these are really comfortable, especially with these types of ear cups, because comfortability is 100% what I'm looking for always in a pair of headphones. If they're not comfortable, I'm not gonna wear them. Point blank, I'm just not wear them at all. These are 100% comfortable. I can literally wear these for long periods of time. Just literally with this headband just gives me sometimes I don't even remember this is even there, and I feel like I have a cloud on my head. Dead ass. Like, no, I'm not gonna cap on that. These dead ass, sometimes I feel like I don't even feel this anymore. All I feel is just the earmuffs. That's not saying that you know, that bothers me or whatever, but yeah, overall, I could have these on for a long period of time. Of course, with any headphones, I think, in my opinion, going for a long period of time, you will, of course, eventually you'll start to feel the headphones, because you'll realize you have something on your head the whole time, and you know they're gonna hurt. You break them in, they will hurt. That's with any pair of headphones, but for the most part, if you get something that's really comfortable for you, especially for your head shape, your ears, these work out for me 100%, and I have no complaint. Literally no complaints at all. These met my expectations for a budget pair of gaming headsets that won't fucking break the bank, are mad comfortable to wear. Yeah, they're nothing flashy. They don't have no RGB lights or whatever like that, unless you upgrade to the Nova 5P. I think you'll get the RGB lights if you want that, but honestly, you're not gonna be seeing that unless you're streaming, you have a camera in front of you, whatnot. Then yeah, you can see it. For the most part, it's just added flair. So yeah, whatever I'm playing online or whatever, maybe single player games, I'm locked in. These do me well, and with the features that it has, which is just a muting button, and yeah, I just think these are really good. So coming down to the conclusion, as we wrap up, we'll draw a conclusion from everything that we talked about already: the mic test, comfort, overall comfortability, my gaming experiences, and overall design. If I had to rate these from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give these for what they are. I'm not gonna give these as far as like comparing it to the higher end gaming headphones. I'm doing things as a overall general comparison. Other headphones that are in the same money lineup as these are 10 out of 10, 100%. If you're looking for something that's comfortable, you don't have to spend too much money, has a decent microphone, has a volume knob, mute button, I don't know what more you really need to ask for. So these are, in my opinion, 10 out of 10. And the fact that I can actually find, if you don't feel comfortable with these ear cups, remember what I said in the beginning, if you don't feel comfortable with these ear cups, you can even find bands. If you want to customize your headphones, you actually can. I think SteelSeries has like certain things you can actually buy on their website. I'm not too sure, I haven't been on there, but I know there's probably like third-party sellers that actually sell ear cups. If you want leather ear cups, if you're more comfortable with those, different colors and whatnot, bro, you go crazy on that. And for me, in my opinion, that is what makes these, or one of the things that's added to my review of these being a 10 out of 10. Without that, it doesn't hurt as much. Maybe it gives it a 9 out of 10, because to me, customization is great, sound quality is fine. Honestly, I really can't go wrong with these at all, and especially with, you're able to adjust your PlayStation, of course, if you want to hear the game more. Overall, that's my review on these. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today in today's video. If you sat through this whole entire review, appreciate it. Leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you never miss a video from me. I will be showing off, of course, like I said before, if you guys at least 1 like. I'm only asking for 1 like. Actually, matter of fact, 2 likes. Anything. If you guys want, give me more likes if you want. I will go into SteelSeries' software, show you guys the capabilities of that software that it has if you're on PC, if you're a PC gamer, what advantages they can give you in your gaming experiences for the games you play. But other than that, I would like you guys' feedback on this. If you guys actually have a pair of these, if you have the upgraded pairs of these, so whether the RTX 5P or the 7P, whichever ones, let me know down in the comment section below what headphones are you guys wearing. Let me know if you guys do have these and how you feel about these. Give me your thoughts down below. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.